Good morning, dear students. We are doing miscellaneous exercise of chapter 7. So let us do some more questions of this exercise. This is the 14th question. You have to integrate 1 upon x square plus 1 into x square plus 4. So what we will do, we will first assume x square as y only in the integrand, not in this integral, but to do its partial fractions we make this substitution. Then the integrand becomes 1 upon y plus 1 into y plus 4. Then we can take its partial fractions as a upon y plus 1 plus b upon y plus 4. Now multiply both sides with the LCM, y plus 1 y plus 4. We get 1 equal to a into y plus 4 plus b into y plus 1. Multiply with a and here with b, and then after this equate the coefficients of y and the constant terms. We get a plus b equal to 0 because here there is no term containing y, and if you equate the constants you get 4a plus b equal to 1. When we solve it, subtract 3 from 4, we get 3a equal 1. So a equal 1 by 3. Put this value of a in the third equation, we will get b equal to minus 1 by 3. So the partial fractions becomes 1 by 3, 1 upon x square plus 1, and plus it is the value of b, that is minus 1 by 3 divided by x square plus 4. 1 by 3 can be taken common, and then put this fractions in the integral and write 4 as 2 square. Then we can use the formula for the integration of dx upon x square plus a square, and that is tan inverse x, 1 by 8 tan inverse x. So in the first integral a is 1, so we get only tan inverse x. In the second integral a is 2, so we get 1 by 2 tan inverse x by 2, and that's is the solution, final. The next one is e to the power 3 log x into x square raised to the power 4 plus 1 to the power minus 1. It can be written as e log x cube, because using n log m equal to log m to the power n, and this is power minus 1, so you can take it in the denominator. So it becomes e to the power log x cube divided by x to the power 4 plus 1 dx. Now e to power log x cube can be written as x cube, and after that you can take x to the power 4 plus 1 as t, then 4x cube dx equal to dt. So from here you get x cube dx equal to dt by 4. So it becomes dt by 4, and in denominator we have t, and the integration of 1 by t is log mod t, so we get 1 by 4 log mod t plus c, and then substitute the value of t, that is x raised to the power 4 plus 1. Now since this is a positive term, we can remove this mod sign. It will be x to the power 4 plus 1. Next question is integrate 1 upon under root sine cube x into sine x plus a. Here sine x plus a can be written as sine x cos a plus cos x sine a, using the formula for sine a plus b, and then sine x can be taken common, then here you are left with cos A only, and here it becomes cos x upon sin x, which becomes cot x. Then अंडर रूट ऑफ साइन टू द पावर 4x साइन स्क्वायर एक्स हो जाएगा, तो उसे हमने बाहर लिख लिया, और बाकी टर्म्स ये अंडर रूट में ही रहेंगी. अब 1 अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर एक्स को हम लिख सकते हैं कॉस एक्स स्क्वायर एक्स डी एक्स डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट कॉस ए प्लस कॉस एक्स साइन. देन टेक दिस एज टी, and when you differentiate it, this is constant, the first term, so its differentiation is 0, और cot x का differentiation माइनस cos x स्क्वायर x, और sin a constant था dx इक्वल टू dt. सो दो न्यूमरेटर में cos x स्क्वायर x dx है, वो माइनस dt अपॉन sin a हो गया, तो उसको वहाँ सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे इस इंटीग्रल में हम. सो इट बिकम्स माइनस dt अपॉन sin a एंड रूट t. माइनस 1 अपॉन sin a तो कांस्टेंट है, बाहर ले लिया हमने इंटीग्रल साइन के, और ये हमारा बन गया t की पावर माइनस हाफ, और t की पावर माइनस हाफ का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा, t की पावर माइनस हाफ प्लस 1, दैट इज़ t की पावर हाफ डिवाइडेड बाय हाफ, और t को सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो हाफ की वजह से अंडर रूट आ गया, cos a प्लस cot x sin a प्लस c. cot x को हम लिख सकते हैं cos x अपॉन sin x, and then take the LCM, we get this expression. That's all for today. Thank you.